What is up, everybody? It's Justin, Matt, Irv here out on the Saginaw River. Today we are gonna fish for some walleye. With only a couple days left, we figured why not get out here and try to get on some eyes. We're excited. We're hopeful. We're hoping to get these eyes today. Limiting out is big. Limiting out is big.
Break through some ice, but we're here.
We're here. Yeah, we had a little trouble this morning with the engine. It got really cold. So we had a little issue with that, but we're out here. We finally made it. Before we get fishing, just remember to hit that subscribe button, like this video, share it around it. We love you guys. We love the support. Thank you so much for following us along on these ventures. We're gonna get our rods in the water. We'll see you guys in a second. I got a nerve. I'm gonna throw that one back. That's not a keeper. Oh, funny.
Well, now we're catching. Yeah, keep an eye out for the boat.
Oh Lord.
I say we try here for an hour. We don't catch anything. We about to go down.
Oh, I'm stuck on ice. Okay, we're good.
Stop.
Nope, we're good.
I got something. Just chuck the ice. We brought the cocktails. Fresh ice. Put it right in your cup. Little sippy sippy.
Little sippy sippy. Oh dang, we drifted a lot. Just in the matter of like me putting my minnow on. You know.
I picked it up.
Why did I think I was going to be fine and not need any hand warmers or you know? Look at that. He's just so active on my. He's like, man, get me in there. He was just flipping and flopping. There's fish down there.
Yeah, there was one right on bottom or that's back.
Put me in, coach.
Did you like right off the bottom?
I did it just right off the bottom. Just touch.
Justin had the best luck last year. I don't think it's fitting.
I was sitting right on bottom in a small little jig, and it just caught their attention.
That's how we do it in Canada. It's right on bottom. Bounce it off the rocks. Yeah, this ice definitely.
It's not helping.
No, I'm straight up and down until the ice don't come.
Yeah, you gotta be as vertical as possible. At least that's what I was told. I knew it. I had a bite.
Did you?
Yes, lost my minnow.
See, this one streaked up.
Ugh.
Definitely did.
I had a freaking big tick, and I was like, oh, it's probably just ice.
No, that one.
Ticky tacky, little ice action.
Jeez.
That streak came right up.
I knew I had a bite.
Right off of it.
Can you hand me that bucket there, Irv? The minnows.
Sorry, I could have.
No, that's fine. Disturb as much as Irv's fishing as I possibly can.
Oh, that's right.
I'm just messing around. I knew it was a bite too, and I'm like, it's probably not a bite. Cause I'm a freaking idiot. All right, let's get back down there. There's fish down there, boys. My hands are warm now. I'm feeling good. I'm looking, well, it's a different story, but
We'll just stop.
yeah. We'll just stop at the first two, but I was feeling myself for a minute, you know. Except, what is going on? Oh! No. Snag!
Something all right.
That's something that went the log.
You wanted to go by the beach.
I said we give this.
Look at boys!
I said we go around this corner and drift that one time to deep
Oh,
water.
now he wants to go to the Z.
Hey, I got my spot over there.
Did you see that, boys? That was a monster.
That was right in a little hole too. There's a log.
It's a monster, boys. He said he tried jigs, finesse, he tried live worms, or not live worms, live minnows. He tried everything.
All today.
Yesterday. He said that fishing tournament wasn't yesterday. Woo!
That one?
No, almost fell. Sorry. Got a float suit though.
Usually you have to have your both hands holding ice on the floor.
Well, just got off the river. It's about 1:45. Wasn't good. No. Water was muddy. We were talking to a bunch of different people, and there was no luck with them either. So, plan is tomorrow we're gonna try a different spot on the river. Hopefully it's better. Hopefully the ice is not a factor. That was kind of a factor as well this morning. But nonetheless, still was just a blast. You know, it's better than being at home. It's good to be out fishing with the boys. And you're not gonna catch them from sitting from the couch. So, gonna go home, get some stuff ready for tomorrow, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. All right, what's up everyone? Day 2 of our Saginaw River walleye, what do we call this? Fishing trials?
Trials, yeah.
Yesterday didn't go so well. Yeah, yesterday didn't go so well. We had a couple of bites, but no luck. Today we're feeling confident though. We're out here, we're getting our stuff set up, and hopefully we can get on the fish. So we're gonna change some different colors up, different lures, try different things, see what works, and we'll see you guys in a second. What's up? What is? Oh, yeah, that is. There's fish down there, you said? You want to throw the anchor in, Richard?
I'd say we go up
A little bit farther? Okay. Yeah. I'm so glad that the turnaround's opened up.
Yeah. Yesterday we couldn't get in there if we wanted to.
I can't believe how much cleared up.
I hope this anchor will hold. Jesus.
There's a lot of fish right here. If you want to stop here, anchor. Yeah, just right on the other side of the buoy. Just keep going that way. Yeah, you're good. So much fishing here. Well guys, that's gonna wrap up this video. We ended up not catching anything. There's people around us that were catching stuff. We used the same stuff that they used and still didn't have any luck. So I'm not sure what it was. Maybe we weren't completely vertical with our jigging. But nonetheless, we still had fun. It beats you know, sitting at home. You're definitely not gonna catch them by sitting on the couch. So just remember, if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe, follow us along on our adventures, and we'll see you guys in the next video.